Alright, today doing a video on how to change your, I guess, early 2000s to like 07 Ford F-250 key fob. I'm sure there's other years that relate to this. If you have a key fob that looks like this, you can do the same thing. I get these from O'Reilly's. It's just a little cover piece. It's a Dorman. I think that's showing the part number backwards, but it's a 13625. They're fairly cheap. I get them at a good price. I know it says that I'm supposed to sell them at $27, but I don't know what they sell them at the store. But all you really got to do with these is take this, a lot of people, they'll break like that. What you do is you just take a screwdriver, get right inside that crack, and just pop it open. And then you got all your stuff on the side of there. You get your new one. Basically just do the same thing. Just put it all back together. And it's got all the pieces inside of it. You can take the chip out. And I'm going to try and get it a little bit easier to see. Take all this stuff out of here. And then you just take the chip. Put it in the new one. Just like that, like that. It's all the same. Just set it right on in there. Without breaking it. It might be easier to put it inside the rubber first. There you go. Do one of them. Put the whole thing inside of here. You just take your battery out of the old one. Put it in the new one. Stuff's not one to sit. There we go. Okay. You just take everything, put it all together. There you go. Yep, everything works on it. These door locks are all screwed up on the truck, so they don't really lock and unlock that great. But as you can see, the panic button even works. So, yeah, that's about it. It's pretty easy.